Hey, Coach Greg here at Svelte Training. Today we'll be doing a boxing fat burner workout. You're gonna build some muscle, improve coordination, burn fat, and have a great time doing it. So let's get right to it. We're gonna be doing 2 sets. First set is gonna be more me explaining and demonstrating as you follow along, while the second set will be a complete run through of the exercises. So if you feel good, you feel comfortable, skip to that second set to get right to that fat burn. Without further ado though, let's start with our first exercise. All right, our first exercise is gonna be jump rope bounces. The cool thing is you do not need a jump rope to do this effectively. We are just going to be bouncing on the balls of our toes as if we were actually jump roping. We're gonna put 30 seconds on. And here we go. This is a great way to get the body warmed up, get the lymphatic system moving. If you don't know, that's responsible, like the tissues and organs responsible for moving around your white blood cells, which fight infections and diseases. And it just like warms up your whole body for this workout we're gonna do. So like I said, you can use a jump rope. But the cool thing is just like bouncing is just as effective. We're almost done. Here we go. A couple more seconds. 3, 2, and 1. Good job. Second exercise, we have the jab cross, which is a staple of any boxing workout. Just a quick note, the goal of this workout isn't to really focus specifically on fighting technique. We just wanna have fun and get our body familiar with different exercises and movements that we normally wouldn't do. And then as we progress, we can start like nitpicking and focusing on like the tiny details. But for now, let's just have fun. Don't worry too much. If you're doing it correctly, just move your body around and you'll feel it. So here we go with the jab cross. You're gonna wanna start with one leg forward, one leg back, kind of like in a fighting position, the weight evenly distributed, and then you just wanna kind of like bounce with it, lean with it. And then the first, your front arm and the front leg, this is usually gonna be your jab, and then the leg that's back, that's usually gonna be, the arm is gonna be your cross. So all we're gonna be doing is alternating between jabbing and throwing a cross. So jab, cross. Usually I like to like step forward when I'm throwing the jab, and then for the cross, you kind of just pivot that back foot. Let's get into it. Like I said, don't worry about doing it properly or technique. I'm not worrying about that right now. We're just gonna put 30 seconds on and go. So focus on just throwing. There you go. You can go fast, slow. Just pretend you're hitting someone or something. You want to turn that core. Almost there. There we go. 3, 2, 1. One more. Bam. Good job. Third exercise, we have squats. We're gonna drop it like it's hot. Feet shoulder width or a little further apart, toes pointed outward, or whatever you're comfortable with, be able to get low within your range. And the goal is you can have hands straight up forward, hands here, hands behind your head. The goal is we wanna get to at least 45 degrees, 90 degrees. You don't have to go all the way down to the ground, but we really just wanna focus on being able to go up and down and up and down and up and down. So 30 seconds on the clock and let's do it. Try to keep that back straight. Don't hunch over like this. Really keep a proud chest as you go down and up. And really see if you can like explode. Boxing and any fighting stuff, use your lower body a lot. So squats are just an important part of it. Like I said, moderate it to however you feel comfortable to. Well, we having fun with it. Got a couple more seconds here. 3, 2, and 1. All right, almost done. We have uppercuts next. Again, we're not focusing on proper technique. The goal is just to get into different positions that we may not be familiar with. You're gonna want to, this kind of punch, hands in front of you in fighting guard. And what you're gonna be doing is pretending there's something here as if you're trying to uppercut them, hit them under the chin, like that. And you're just switching sides. And you kind of like lean over with your body and just focus on throwing it up. And again, if you can't do it like that, just really just focus on this motion here. So moderate it to however you can. Don't worry about making it look pretty. No one's looking, no one cares, just have fun with it. So we're gonna put 30 seconds on, and here we go. There you go. Really turn that hip into it. That's where most of the power comes from. Tighten your core, and like I said, even if you can only do this, do this. It's all good, no one cares. We're having fun. We're burning fat, burning calories, feeling good. All right, we're almost done. All right, 3, 2, and 1. Uppercut them out of the, get them out. All right, last exercise, we have side to side slips. Normally, if you're fighting someone, if they're throwing a punch at you, you're gonna wanna be able to evade, get off the center line where their punch would be coming from. But again, we're not really focusing on making it look all fancy or smooth. This is a workout, so let's work out. You're going to be standing straight forward, hands up as if you're trying to protect yourself. And all we're doing is dipping to one side and then to the other. It's just a slip. So it's kind of a sneaky way to work out your obliques and your whole core and everything else. So let's have fun. 30 seconds on. Here we go. There it is. You can go as fast or slow. My hip popped as you want. Here we go. Focusing on your breathing and just visualize someone, I don't know, throwing cans of soup at you or something, or punches. Like I said, you can go as fast. We're almost there. 3, 2, and 1. Good job. Now that you know the movements for this workout, we're gonna put them all together for this second set. So follow along, let's burn some fat. And please note the time at which we're starting the second set, so you can always come back to this moment. All right, we're gonna get into our first exercise, jump rope bounces. And again, you can modify it to whatever range of motion you're comfortable with. If you can't really jump off the ground, focus on just bending your knees or almost doing like calf raises. But without further ado, let's get some jump rope bounces. 30 seconds on, and let's go. At the very least, move your arms around, because again, we're just trying to work out that body. Move those limbs, have fun with it. Jump roping is a great cardio and calorie burner. That's a cool thing, like you don't even need nothing, just your imagination. Here you go, almost done. 3, 2, and 1. Second exercise, jab, cross, get into your fighting position. 30 seconds on, and let's go. There you go. Make sure you're turning that hand over as you fully extend. Here we go. I'm breathing heavy. We're almost done. We're getting there. Come on. 3, 2, and 1. Good job. Next, we have squats. Let's get into it without further ado. 30 seconds on, and let's go. Go to a range of motion that you're comfortable with. The goal is, let's just move, let's pick up the pace, you know? We're trying to burn some calories, don't got a lot of time, so let's have fun. There you go. Almost there. 3, 2, one more, and good job. We are almost done, 2 more exercises to go. We have uppercuts next, 30 seconds on. And let's go. Really focus on twisting that body. And if you can't, again, just this motion here is good enough. You're gonna get very similar burn Not worrying about technique. Let's have fun. 3, 2, one more, bam. Knock them out. Last exercise, let's give it our full effort. We got side to side slips. Again, you wanna keep your hands up in front of you, but if you wanna put your hands behind your back, whatever you feel comfortable with, we're just dipping and slipping from side to side. Here we go, 30 seconds on, and here we go. Oh yeah. This would look cooler if you have boxing gloves on, but we ain't here to look cool. We're here to work out. Remember, modify it however you can. If you want to come back to the center line before dipping down to the other side, do whatever you're comfortable with. We are almost there. Come on. Fight through the pain. 3, 2, and 1. Give yourself one of these and one of these because you earned it. That was your boxing fat burning workout. I hope you enjoyed it as much as I did. I am sweating and definitely burned some calories, so I hope you did too. And if you enjoy videos like this, make sure you like, share, subscribe, and don't forget to click the notification bell to be on top of any new videos dropping. I hope you have an amazing day, an amazing week, amazing life. I'm Coach Greg with Swell Training, and I'll see you on the next one. Peace.